I looked up at the black sky. I hadn't intended to be out this late. The sun had set, and the rural road ahead is spooky with no kind of lighting. I knew I was in for a dark journey home. I decided that traveling through the forest would be the quickest way home. Minutes passed, yet it seemed like hours and days. The farther I traveled into the forest, the darker it seemed to get. I was very hard to even take a breath due to the stifling air. The only sound familiar to me was the quickening beat of my own heart, which felt as though it was about to come through my chest. I began to whistle to take my mind off the eerie noises I was hearing. In this kind of darkness, it was hard for me to believe that I could be venturing into this no man's land. Then suddenly I saw something moving ahead of my path.